Hey everybody, it's me, Master627, and today I'm back with another backyard video. Today guys, it is Sunday, October 29th, 2017, and the time I am recording this is 4:30 p.m. And wow, whoa, where we just were now is now going to affect us here. Because today, in the backyard, we are going on a scavenger hunt. Also, updates. So with that said guys, let's get into it. Actually, before we get with the scavenger hunt, I want to show you guys what the top of the pump house looks like. Guys, this is what it looks like. Now the ground. Yeah, it's pretty destroyed up there. And that is because today, and so far today, we've had a lot of wind. Oh my god. And I'm thinking it's probably still coming. So with that said guys, let's get into the scavenger hunt. The first thing we're going to pick up is over here by the shed. We're down here. You know, like, yeah, we're like right here. And I'm going to view every single place that we're at. Oh, and if I didn't pick that up, let me do it again. I'm just trying to see if I actually picked it up, which I think I did. So if I did do it twice, then I apologize. Sorry about that. I have no idea what's going on. Alright guys, you know where it's time to throw it? It's time to throw it up there. Well, actually, we can put it right here in this bin. Before we do that, we have to do that first. In order to do that, we have to do that first. Yep, we have to do that first in order to put this in. Yeah, I will be piling the stuff on top. Alright. Over here, which is by the time machine. Oh, not really. But, oh, that got untied? Oh, come on! No. I don't know why. It's kind of hard to pause these. Anyway, let's pile that on top. Alright, next one, which is over here, if you're wondering. And, oh, that actually has that on it, the thing. So, yeah, I do apologize because the screen is kind of zoomed up. And I do apologize for that in advance, guys. And also, I am recording this on my tablet. I mean, gee, finally I am. Because it has been a while. I think the last time I ever filmed a backyard video on my tablet had to be the 150th episode. Because I don't remember any other date than that. So, yeah, we finally get it at the end of October, guys. And keep in mind, this is the last backyard video for October. Because the next one will be on November 7th. And I think a few weeks. Oh, no. November is obviously coming, but how many weeks again? I'm gonna have to check right after. Oh no, wait, I know. It's coming in a week and a half. Simple. Alright, second thing we need, and that is over here. Also, I am picking this up at, oh, this is also untied, which is pretty certain. We picked that up like right there. And guys, there's a key down there. We will get to that later in the video. So, yeah. I know, kind of getting crazy again, which is kind of annoying. We're gonna pile that on top. And I'm thinking that's all for those decorations. Sorry about that. Anyway, we're gonna pull this up. We're gonna pull this up to top of the pump house, and you're gonna see a few things kind of get messed up. Like, if you guys can see, like right there, I am getting things messed up. Alright. Now, the only way to do this is... Oh! It's coming! Guys, it came back. Sorry for all the loudness. I apologize in advance, guys, for all the loudness. I totally am sorry for that. It's just... It's... Guys, I won't be able to do this unless I put down my tablet, but I can't, because I'll break it. So, how am I going to do this? Oh, I know. Oh, this is the worst idea. Oh yeah, guys, it's definitely coming. That's why I'm putting all this stuff up here, so I can keep it safe from... Actually, hopefully you guys saw that. Anyway, we're done with that now, so let's go with the other stuff. Oh! Hello. Guys, it's pretty dang windy out here. And, this is the last backyard video of October. Whoa! This is pretty dangerous to get out of here, guys, at this point in time. Now, where's the first key? Huh? Wait, is it right there? Guys. Guys. Oh, it's right there! Yay! Alright, now that we did that, there's the second key right there, which is pretty dang awesome. Originally, there was actually a free item bin here, but now it blew away. Alright, time to go for the next one, which should be here. Let's see if it is. Let's get down, and oh, it is. It's like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but oh, there we go, guys. It's just right there. Keep in mind these keys will be put back into their spots after the storm is over. It's just weird. Anyway, the key is right there. I think that is amazing. I didn't want to ruin my design of keeping it there, but I have to carry it. And now for today's key, which is hidden, like, right there. Do you guys see that? Yeah, it's right there, guys. Alright, guys, so that's all the keys for now. Next one will be hidden tomorrow over here. But you guys can see that, this stuff here is not here right now. It's just there, which, I don't know, but I had to keep it up there. So now that we found that, I'm going to go show you guys some updates. Yes, guys. I repeat, we have updates. Alright, guys. First of all, the chest is back. Yay. Woo! Yes! Alright. And obviously, if we go inside here, it's everything that was in here before. Also, another update. This was actually from today. This is a complete mess, and this is destroyed. Darn it! Alright. Yeah, this is destroyed now. And yeah, that's the complete mess right there. But this was implemented here yesterday. And also, this was also implemented here yesterday. This is also implemented here yesterday. And also, yesterday, we had a fire last night, to be exact. Also, I gotta show you guys another update. If we head out to the front yard, hold on, I'm going to run before time runs out. And also, if you guys don't know, this was also implemented yesterday. It was pretty nice implemented. Obviously, you guys know this is obviously part of the front yard. Yeah, pretty nice, guys. Also, my dad mowed the lawn on Wednesday, so we are good to go. Yep. Alright, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, and you want to see another backyard video like this, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what you guys think of the video. Is it good? Is it bad?